These car gadgets are so good, you'll wish your car came with them built right in. Welcome back to Gadget Grid, where we explore the smartest gadgets that make everyday life easier. First up, the wireless backup camera. Instantly add a rear view to any car, making parking and reversing ways safer, no complicated installation needed. Next, the car HUD display. It projects your speed and GPS directions directly onto your windshield, so you can keep your eyes on the road without distraction. Quick reminder, hit subscribe, like, and share so more drivers can find these hidden gems. Number 3, the tire pressure monitoring system. It connects to your phone and gives you real-time updates on your tire health, saving you from unexpected flats. Fourth, the car air purifier. Compact but powerful, it freshens your ride, removes odors, and keeps the air inside your car clean. And finally, the emergency escape tool. Small but life-saving. It cuts seatbelts and breaks windows in seconds, something every driver should keep within reach. So, which of these would you actually keep in your car? Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to check the link in the description to order or learn more today.